My name is Sarah.
No, I'm just. Where are you living? Where?
Tunisia, Tunisia, Tunisia,
Yeah,
Tunisia.
is there any beside country's name? Do you know?
There is Tunisia between Algeria and Libya.
Oh, Algeria, Libya. I'm gonna say Libya. If I overcome, then I'll get the Italy country. Am I right?
I'm sorry? It's
Yeah.
Arabic country. شنو طب شحال
Libya, there is a big she. Yeah, over there has a Italy country, Italy.
Yes, there is Libya, there is
Big she.
Algeria, and there is Tunisia in the middle.
Oh, I got it.
فهمت؟
Okay.
اصبر اصبر wait.
Okay. I've been waiting for you. I'm hanging.
Hold on.
تعطي تعطي نامبوني باشيش.
حتى صاحبة مع صاحبة مش معروفة. انت ولا اللي فاهم نقول لك فيها ذي
I'm
كل
from
حتى ما عرفت
Bangladesh.
شيء.
Do you know Bangladesh?
Bangladesh? What is Bangladesh?
Oh my
ما
God,
نفهمش.
you don't know Bangladesh?
No?
Oh my
You don't
God.
know Tunisia, so I don't know Bangladesh.
Yeah, I got it. And my country is because of the
فلسطين ليبيا
Hey
أفغانستان
dear, hello.
تركيا يا تونس.
India and
شبيك
Pakistan between
يا
country.
ساوي ما فهمتكش. What?
India and Pakistan between country is the Bangladesh.
Okay.
Indian is a
Algeria and
country.
Libya between them there is Tunisia.
Yeah, oh my
Understand now?
God. Yeah,
خلي
I
كمل
got
بشرح.
you. I understand the issue. So, what's your main
What is
goal?
oh my god?
What?
Why?
What?
اسمعني what's your word صح؟ تحب شو بلاد يرى؟
I'll
You
reply.
are Christian?
No, I'm not a Christian. I'm a
You
Muslim
are
boy.
Christian?
I'm a Muslim.
Okay, so you are Muslim, I am Muslim. Why are you treating me this way?
Oh my God, you're Muslim.
Is there something wrong in that?
No. I don't say that like that. But I'm talking to you about, yeah, maybe your country's name. I hear that for the first time. This your country's name. That's why I think that you're maybe another religion's person.
I told you, oh God. Morocco, Algeria, Libya, Tunisia,
Tunisia, but
Mauritania,
I didn't hear anything
all
every
of
time.
those
The
are
Tunisia.
Arabic countries.
Yeah.
Hold on. All of those are Arabic country. Arabic country is Muslim country.
Yeah.
There is in every Muslim country Christians and Catholic, but most of them are Muslims.
Yeah,
Okay?
I got it. I know that, but I didn't hear. I'm asking. I didn't hear
I know
your
that in
country's name.
India and Pakistan they believe in cow as a god,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
They believe in rock. We do believe in our own grateful God.
Hmm.
Only one. Muslims, yeah.
What's
You
a
are Sunni or
Muslim?
Shi'i?
I'm a Sunni.
Sunni, okay.
So basically,
Do you know Egypt?
Egypt. Yeah, I hear that it is a country name.
Yes, so Egypt is a Muslim country as well.
Yeah,
So
Egypt a
it's like
Muslim
that.
country. I hear that. So, do you? I mean that. I have followed you by the follow me.
يا حبيبي يحضر فيها بالرسم الحكاية. What?
Oh my God. Oh, I'm sent it to you. I have followed to you. Follow back me, and as if we can conversation next time. Because I'm feeling so happy because you're Muslim. I'm talking with a Muslim girl. Yeah,
Thank you.
your what do I tell that to you? I mean that. So, are you a student for the moment?
This is my last year in the university. I'll graduate this year.
Have you completed your graduate?
What?
Have you completed your graduate?
Today, not today. This year I will be graduated. I finish.
Oh, I
باش
got it.
تنبع
Yeah,
شحال
your
نفضل لا لا
last
جست
year.
تعمل باو ونمشي نرجع في غدوة. What?
Oh, your last year in the sector. Last
Yes,
year.
last year.
Yeah, I got it.
You are the first one from Bangladesh that know English.
Oh my God. No. The Bangladesh countries have many persons there know this English language because we're a learner. I'm learning as well.
عايشك وانت بالله انت عايش خويا ولا اختي انا مش
Rather brother to
انا فديت في
be
بلاصتك ولا حدا فديت نخرج زعما
সরল
فكرة.
মানুষ এত সরল মানুষই ও মাই গড আহমদ দিদা
The people which therefore seeing me from you follow me.
I follow to you already.
مش انت.
Would you follow me?
I already followed you.
Oh, alright. I have already have followed you. So what's your main goal? What do you wanna be?
I'm a sport teacher.
You sport
I'm a
teacher.
coach. Yes, I'm a professional coach.
Oh my god, yes. I wanna be
It's okay with me.
I wanna be a big freelancer.
مرحبا
Please pay
نورك.
for me.
What?
I wanna be a big freelancer. I wanna be. Please pay for me.
دي من البنيان اللي هنا
Do you know what is the meaning of the freelancer?